In this video, I show you how to fix Eyecon app login problem or Eyecon app not working problem. For fixing this, go to your phone settings, then go to apps or application management, then click on see all apps, scroll down, find out Eyecon app. Now click on icon, then click on force stop, then OK. Then click on storage and cache, then clear storage, then click on delete. Now open your Eyecon app. Now click on continue, then click on allow. Now click on icon, then click on set as default. Now enter your phone number or you can log in with your Gmail. This is me. Now I hope that this method fix Eyecon app login problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.